Is your company weighing down by an endless stream of paperwork? Introducing UrAudits, a single digital solution for all your audits and inspection needs that will save you time, money, and paper, allowing you to scale your business effectively. All your audit or inspection processes are performed through an iOS or Android app or the web, whether you're online or offline. Here you can bring the power of a customized checklist in your auditing operation. Add video, take pictures, and even draw over them. Quickly add any notes. Explore the power of team collaboration. Go beyond spreadsheets and collect data with comprehensive analytical reports. And also get updates with real-time notifications. UrAudits allows you to focus on the things that really matter, like elevating the safety game with risk mitigation, and allowing the frontline managers to access the resources they need. Never search for any piece of paperwork again. Within a click, you can perform audit and inspection. UrAudits puts the power in the hands of you and your team. Get a free trial now before it's too late. Visit us now at www.uraudits.com. Contact 004420 719 33111. Email us at support.uraudits.com.